In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and track budgets in QuickBooks. This process is designed to be straightforward, and in about 5 minutes, you'll have a good sense of how to manage your finances effectively. To begin, let's start by signing in. Once you've logged in, the next step is to navigate to the Budgets tab on your QuickBooks homepage. This is your entry point to all things budgeting, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and options available here. It's important to get comfortable with this interface, as you'll be interacting with it regularly. Next, let's move on to creating a new budget. You'll want to click on the Create Budget button, which will guide you through the setup process with simple, intuitive prompts. After you initiate the process, proceed by clicking Next. This action will bring you to the point where you can enter specific details of your budget. Whether you're focused on business finances or personal budgeting, this is where the bulk of your work will lie. Once you've moved forward by clicking Next, don't forget to click Save. It's always a smart practice to save your progress regularly. This ensures that any information you've entered is not lost, even if you need to step away from your screen. Once saved, you can fill in all the necessary budget data. This includes the financial figures you want to track, so pay attention to the details here. Accurate data is essential for effective budgeting. While setting up a budget might seem daunting initially, QuickBooks makes the process effortless and efficient. As you input your financial details, keep in mind your budgeting goals. Think about how this setup can help you manage them more effectively. QuickBooks is designed to accommodate both small business and personal finance needs, offering flexibility in how you organize and plan your budget. As you work through these steps, feel free to explore the features within QuickBooks budgets, such as the reports or historical data available. These can provide you with deeper insights into your financial status and help you spot trends or areas for improvement. If you're ever uncertain about an option, QuickBooks offers comprehensive support and documentation on their website, which can guide you through any questions or hurdles you might encounter. Once your budget is set and all your data is entered, you'll gain a comprehensive view of your financial landscape. This visibility enables you to make informed decisions and track your financial goals with ease. Always remember that budgeting is a dynamic process. It's important to revisit and adjust your budget as needed, responding to any changes in your financial situation. Thank you for following along. With this setup, you're now ready to harness the power of budgeting in QuickBooks to enhance your financial management. If this video was helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick guides. Happy budgeting!